Hey guys, welcome back. It's Patrick Robertson here at Momentous Building, and today we're going to talk about the trending designs for your bathroom in 2023. Now, as always, please give us a like, share, and subscribe if you guys find some value in this, as we're really trying to help homeowners understand construction, also where the construction industry is going, so they can both have an educated conversation with our contractor and walk into the process with an open mind and educated to get the job done right. Now, that being said, today we're going to talk about the 4 major design trends we see going into 2023 that are going to be growing and changing the typical bathroom layout. Now, bathrooms right now haven't really changed that much. Some popular things that have been going on is the all-white continuing in the previous years. However, going into the new year, 2023, what we're really going to start to see is the growing trend of curbless showers. This started a few years back, probably 5 or 6 years ago, and each and every year it gets more and more popular as building science gets better, as products are released, and designers and architects start embodying the design. Now, there's some great benefits with it. It's a safety, reduces safety issues. Say you don't have to step over anything. There's no grab bars needed because you're not lifting your foot up over a curb. So this is where the floor is just smooth transition right into the shower. We've had some great design options for some products like Schluter, where they have a linear floor drain on the entry of the shower that gets a tile top, so it's very streamlined. You really don't see the drain at all. You can step on it, and what that does is that allows you to just walk right in your shower and enjoy it. And that's a design trend we're going to see definitely with the entry linear drain rather than the drain in the back of the shower. Another thing we're going to see with that with that curbless showers, we're going to see the removal of shower doors. Now, this is a great option if you have a larger shower, say it's 60 inches long and 30 inches wide, rather than, a standard 36 by 36, a really small shower. In the smaller showers, you're probably still going to want a shower door just because it's a confined space. But if you have a nice wide shower, say 60 inches by 36 inches, maybe even bigger, a great option is just to have a glass panel covering where the shower head is, going up floor to ceiling, and then having a just wide open entry walking right in with your drain and everything. And what that allows you to do is just enjoy it and walk right into the shower and start using it, rather than to use the doors, step over curbs, and these different things. So that's why we're going to see this open concept going right into the bathroom, which is a great option. Number 2, design trend number 3. Number 3 is going to be the continuation of natural materials. We really started to see this take off in 2019, 2020, and 2021 during the COVID pandemic, where people really wanted to get back to nature. And what that has done is introduce some natural colors, but more so natural materials, more stone products, more wood products, less paint cabinetry. People want to feel the warmth of the world back into their home that they've been, putting off from about 2006 to 2015 with that pure white cabinetry layout, the shaker design and everything like that, painted wood. People are bringing back the natural wood, and more importantly, the colors are light. They're not necessarily dark. We're not talking about a dark stained cherry or mahogany. We're talking about a white oak. We're talking about a lot of maples with vertical grains and these different things that bring light and airiness to the space. With that, flowing into that, right, we have design trend number 4. Number 4, guys, is going to be color. Colors are going to be brought back into the bathroom in many different ways. And what we're going to see is that the colors are going to be warm, airy, not necessarily crazy and bright, but people aren't going to be afraid to actually do a paint job in the bathroom. They're going to stick to the beiges, the greens, and the grays, and maybe even some hues of reds in these different areas and some yellows. But basically, it's going to complement the natural materials that are going to be used in the bathroom. The diamond bright white bathroom is going to be out. Although it is still a popular design, we're going to see it less and less. Now, white does have a place in the bathroom. We firmly believe that. However, there's going to be a lot more off-whites. Or it might just be a white wall, say a white shiplap wall with natural materials and different colored walls to the ceilings. that's kind of where the world's going. So those four areas are really encapsulated into two big overarching areas. So design trend number one, the curbless showers, and design trend number two, shower doors. No removal of the shower doors. What we're really going into in the bathroom is this idea of a functional space and open concept layout, right? We see the same thing continuing with the freestanding tubs. It's that open feeling, that not closed off feeling, that will really open up the bathroom and allow you to use it and see the entire thing. And then going into that, right, design trend number three and number four are really about changing the feeling of the bathroom. When you walk in there, what do you want to feel? A lot of people aren't wanting to feel sterile anymore, of that diamond white feeling, right? That blankety blank white. A lot of them want to walk into the bathroom and actually feel something. And what the natural materials allows you to do is actually feel that warmth that the world has within it, right? When you step onto the floor, there's some textured stone floor. The countertops have some color and some depth to it. The walls have color to it. They embody this warmth feeling that people are really craving in the last few years that they found. And that's where we're really going to be heading in the new year, which is super exciting, and we truly believe that. And to finish this video up, what does this all mean when designing your bathroom? Well, what it really means is finding something that you truly enjoy, right? And if you like the all-white bathroom, go for the all-white bathroom. Just know that you don't have to choose that, right? At the end of the day, these design trends and where the professionals say they're going, where the contractors say they're all going, they're all great, but in 15 years it all changes again. So when you remodel your bathroom and you find a design you truly like and enjoy, go with that. Just know if you're going for resale value and these different things, you can't go wrong with going with some nice cool colors, some nice natural materials, and then creating some really, really awesome functional shower drains and shower entry layouts that will service you through the life of the home. One of the greatest benefits of the curbless shower is that when you have someone elderly, 60, 70, 80, there's no hazard of stepping in and out of the shower, and it can be used a lot easier. We can put in collapsible benches so you can wash it up while sitting down, another safety precaution that can be done. So a lot of these things are thinking forward. So the new design trends we're going to see in 2023 are really going to be long-standing. We don't see anything that's been coming out that's going to be around here for a few years. So if you need any advice, if you want to have any questions, please reach out to us. Give us a call. We're happy to hop on a chat and really just provide what we see, and also some guidance in guiding your next, in designing your next bathroom. It's kind of the things that we enjoy here. The building is awesome. The construction's awesome, but it's creating that experience, that emotional feeling, and that connection that the homeowner deserves with that particular room. Because that connection, that's what creates the home. Everything else without that connection, you're just living in the house. So that's what we believe here. Listen, if you guys found some value, please, again, give us a like, share. We're trying to grow this message. And we will catch you on the next one.